Dublin City Council has hoarded many derelict sites in the city for years without acting to lift them out of dereliction, an Irish independent analysis has found. Out of the 141 properties on the latest derelict sites register from the end of October, 14 have been on the list for more than a decade. 8 of these are in council ownership, and when the Irish Independent visited these sites, none had substantial works underway. All were either boarded up or in a state of disrepair. This is despite those 8 properties being in the council's hands for at least 3 years. One site has been on the derelict sites list for more than 18 years and has been in council ownership for the last 7.5. That property, 144 Harold's Cross Road in Dublin 6 West, was demolished earlier this year, but its redevelopment remains in limbo. The second oldest site on the list has been there since October 2008 and was bought by the council in April 2022. Like other sites examined in council ownership, 6 Terrace Place in Dublin 1 has been boarded up with no substantial works taken to lift it out of dereliction. In total, the authority has amassed a portfolio of 27 derelict sites out of the 141 on the city's derelict sites register. You can follow this story on the Irish Independent.